feeling right
The feeling, it feels surreal right now. Sobrang nakaka-overwhelming in the best way. Kasi, again, like what I said a while ago, this is my first movie na ako po yung lead. So, sobrang naghahalo po yung kaba, pero the excitement is, yung excitement ko yung naninibabaw ba. I'm so excited for everybody to see everything that we've worked hard for, kung gaano namin binigay yung puso namin dito sa project na to. So, ayun, I'm very, very happy. I'm very, very happy.
How does it feel working with you?
Masaya naman. Like I've said in many interviews, pag dedicated ang isang actor, sobrang dali lang.
What was your first impression kay Kelvin?
Kay Kelvin, bad boy na, mayabang. Pero that was just a first impression. And like I said a while ago, first impressions don't last for me. Kasi pwedeng bagong tao, pwedeng magkamali ka sa kanya.
So ano na-discover mo sa kanya while working?
Malalim po siyang tao. He has a very deep wisdom in him. And at the end of the day, this is a ginagawa niya. He really loves what he does.
Yeah, medyo naging masalimuot kasi yung dami. Issue.
Yeah.
I know that. At that time ba nung nangyayari yun? Ano yung estado na nararamdaman mo?
I'm sorry.
Nung mga panahon na nangyayari yung kabi-kabi ng mga naglalaban sa social media and bashing, what do you feel right at that time?
Affected ka ba?
Sobra ka ba na-apektuhan? Do you think it's unfair?
Well, of course, I think it was unfair. Those are private conversations. Those were never meant to be smeared on the internet in the first place. So, syempre po, when the first time I was interviewed about it, I was upset.
Yes.
Here. Pero ngayon na the water is not boiling anymore, maayos na, nakamove na po kaming lahat, just pero masaya naman na, and I'm okay. And I can say that, of course, may learning na nangyayari from that. Everything happens for a reason. So, it made me a stronger person, and I choose to forgive.
Did he apologize to you? Nag-apologize sa'yo?
He did. He did.
Tumawag sa'yo?
In person.
In person?
In person, yes.
Hindi
Maayos naman po siya.
Hindi na-apektuhan yung relationship during that time? Yung syempre, samahan nyo dahil may umibos naman ng konti, dumistansya ka dahil.
Kasi on my part, like I said before, I was not aware. It was not made clear to me that yun nga, may something new sila. I didn't know about it. And that's what happened. Pero I cannot let that affect our working relationship. Kasi syempre, this is a responsibility. We both have to show up for each other. And most importantly, for our production. Na sobrang ang dami nilang pinagdaanan para sa amin dalawa. So we have to give that to them because they deserve nothing but the best from us. No matter what issue happens.
Kung sakasakali man niligaw sa'yo si Kevin, let's say, may pag-asa ba? Kasi after what happened,
Chances.
Chika! Kayo talaga.
may chance ba?
May chance? May coin ba kayo dyan? Hindi ko alam, honestly. It's hard to say kasi syempre damage has been done.
Yes.
And
Bilang babae, syempre.
bilang babae, syempre, it's hard to completely erase that, forget about it, and start new. Pero, tingnan natin, who knows?
Magkasama kayo sa Korea, tama ba?
Yes.
Ano na-expect mo? Hindi kaya mabalik.
I saw results sa Japan.
Mabalik kaya yung hostess or yung hostess sa dati na nakasakali mabalik yung dati. Kung ano may espesyal na hindi natuloy.
Well, like I said a while ago, damage has been done. I think it would be very difficult na ibalik yun. At bakit ba, di ba? If it's written in the stars na mangyari, di mangyayari. Pero I'm just happy being his friend right now. I'm happy with the distance that we have. It's a safe distance and, we're both responsible and professional actors.
After this, ano ba yung mga gagawin mo sa ABS?
Yes, ABS.
Sa ABS pa?
At sa iba pang mga projects.
Yes, mga ibang projects. I'll be doing Pajak Princess po for TV5. Ito po ay, it's a morning show, kaya very, very light lang, kalmado lang. So, I'm very happy to be working with Miles. Siya po yung Pajak Princess dyan. At ako po ang mang-aakit sa kanya doon. So, sisirain ko yung Pajak.
Pero may love din ka rin dito.
It's kind of a love triangle. And magiging love triangle ko doon si Joao.
Nandito na ulit sa Pilipinas si Kuya.
Talaga? Sorry, I live in a cave. My God, me, I'm so sorry.
ano masabi mo parang hindi ka ka-partner niya sa panibago ng project?
Okay lang. It's not the end of the world. Ang dami-dami pa pong projects dyan.
Ang
Pero
ginawa,
hindi kanya kinontak ni Gray kasi naging magkalapit kayo sa ang sayo ay kung hindi rin maganda yung hindi rin naging maganda was he the bad boy na tutulong mo?
I'm sorry.
Siya ba yung bad boy na tutulong mo?
Bad boy? No. Hindi naman po siya.
Kasi pinagtama na siya
yung may stigma ka, yung
Hindi,
may stigma.
hindi po siya yun.
So ibig sabihin maganda naman yung pag-iwalay niya ni Gray? O hindi naging ganun ka ayos.
Yung kumat po.
Nung nag-type kayo ng ang sayo ay akin, okay pa kayo?
Okay po kami. We were super good. And again, he is another dedicated actor sa ginagawa niya. Sobrang dedicated.
Naging kayo ba ni Gray?
No.
Naligaw sa'yo?
Hindi rin.
Naging mag-MU kayo, hindi rin?
Hindi rin po. My goodness! Mga katanungan!
Kira,
Parang high school lang tatanungan. Sorry, yes.
Kira about the Maple Leaf, anong update sa Maple Leaf? And kumusta kayo ni LA?
Yes, sa ngayon, wala pa po akong update about Maple Leaf. Marami pa pong ginagawa din na ayos doon. So, I hope you'll still be around to help me promote that one. Pero, yun kami ni LA, super close po kami. Sobrang bait niya. And, grabe. He's a very good person. And syempre, he started fresh like I do. Parang hindi siya experience masyado. So, it's an honor for me to work with him. To be able to somewhat share the knowledge that I have acquired in the 10 years that I have been doing this. Abang ganito pang may
Hi, Kira. Beautiful na
something beautiful.
something beautiful na almost, di ba, we're getting there. So, are there any regrets na hindi natuloy yung sa inyo ni dalawa?
Regrets na hindi kami
Naging kayo?
wala naman po. I mean, again, everything does happen for a reason, and if it didn't happen, then there must be a reason why.
Totoo na close kami sa isa't isa. Walang masama doon. Pinagkakatiwalaan namin yung isa't isa. And then, doon nangyari yung magic.
Tapos na.
Yun.
Tapos na. Yung magic na yan.
Yes po, hindi po kami natuloy, wala kami naging relasyon, whatsoever, kung ano man ang iniisip niyo.
Okay. Thank you, Merlin.
Thank
How
you.
about you, Kira? Kira.
Kami po sa aming actors, if you are a good actor, magiging totoo talaga yung nararamdaman namin. Kasi kung ganun lang pong kadali yung trabaho namin, edi kahit sino po ang makakapag-acting, makakapagawa ng movie. But it really takes a lot of guts to use your true emotions to show that, to be vulnerable sa lahat ng cast, sa lahat ng production. And you know, with Kelvin's personality and his character and you know the nature of our work, it's a beautiful love story. And nangyari, it just happens. Stuff happens, and before we even know it. Pero we didn't let that affect the quality of our work. We didn't let that affect our working relationship. So I think that's what really matters. Yeah, thank you.
May nagtanda na yun.
Meron, kasi hindi po talaga madaling tumayo sa talampakan ng mga actor. Iba-iba po ng proseso, iba-iba ng pagkakaintindi, kung paano ginagawa yung isang libre. Meron dyan, may mga tawag pa sila. Yes, oo.
Baka kay Nate, no?
Kay Mr. talaga yan. Siya yung rehearsal, siya yung joke lang. Mahirap po talaga kasi hindi ko siya na-justify yung kung ano man yung nangyayari dahil sa trabaho. Kasi mataas ang respeto ko sa mga aktor. Hindi talaga siya basta-basta. Maraming pwedeng maapektuhan, marami kang pwedeng may encounter, problema, kaginhawaan, hindi mo masasabi. So, para sa akin yung bagay na yun, nangyayari talaga siya. Sadyang, meron.
Hindi mo naiwasan.
Sa marupok.
Oo.
Yes.
So, ngayon, ano na kayo ngayon?
Mag-iiligin po kami and then we're promoting our movie. Magkatrabaho po kami. And, yun po, malagay
Baka mas lalo kasi hindi na klaro, hindi po sila naging sila.
Yes.
Kaya lang, katulad niyan, magkasama mo kami
Kaya lang, hindi kaya.
Hindi lang, kami naghahawakan kami ng kamay. I mean, they're so sweet like they were there sa relasyon because may characterization po sila. as an actor, it's a must. Yun lang po.